to the Spice Lab. Today I'll be showing you how to make Tari wala mutton. The ingredients you will require is pureed onions, tomatoes, black pepper, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, green cardamom, roughly chopped garlic, roughly chopped and smashed ginger. Heat oil in a large heavy bottom saucepan. Add the chopped onions and fry it for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Add the crushed garlic and ginger, stir well, cooking out the raw flavors for a couple of minutes. Now add the ground onions and fry for about 15 minutes on medium heat, stirring it every few minutes. Make sure it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Do not add salt to speed the cooking process, as the color of the onions adds more flavor to the curry and also thickens the base gravy. Add the whole spices and let it fry for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Now add in the tomato puree and stir it all well. Let it cook for about 4 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Add the turmeric powder, chilli powder, pepper powder and coriander powder and fry it well for a few seconds. Now I have already boiled my mutton and I have kept it aside. Now we will add the mutton pieces to the gravy and mix it all well together, coating the pieces with the spices and sealing the lamb for about 10 minutes. Now the reserved water in which the mutton was boiled, I'll be adding the same water to the gravy. Season the curry, check the spices and the salt. If required, add more. And simmer it on a low heat with the lid for about 10 minutes. Stir it every few minutes. Tari wala mutton curry is now ready to be served warm with rice. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.